There we go. We are live.
Good morning, David. How you doing today?
Oh, I'm pretty good. How about you?
I'm doing all right. Still breathing.
Yes,
Ready
sir.
to chop some shit up with the market butcher.
We had trade balance this morning. U.S. trade balance. U.S. initial jobs claims at 8:30. And we have natural gas here 10:30. And that looks about it. Do we have any news overnight there?
I think Trump spoke at 9 a.m. I think. Not really sure. I didn't do a whole hell of a lot this morning.
No.
Didn't like the price action at all. Took a little short on NQ. And that was really it. I'm sorry, not on NQ, on MES. That was it. It was a short scalp. Stayed in it for 5 minutes and made $50.
Nice.
So
green
that's
is green.
all I got.
All right. Good morning, Angia. Darren does things. Chintan. How you guys doing? Good morning. Good morning.
Angie, how's that gambling problem going? You all right?
Is Angia gambling again?
That's what I heard. This morning she said, I bet.
Oh.
Never did tell me on what, but hoping I might be able to get in on a sure thing. I gotta go meet a man about a horse. All right.
Just messing around, she said. So oil decided to go bananas, eh?
I haven't even looked at oil. What's it doing today?
112.
Holy shit snacks, Batman.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yes. Are they gonna go to 150? Like, I mean, I've heard people talking about that, but I was like, no.
Wow. Yeah. So that's just lovely.
Well, I did take a pre-market long not too long ago, just before I got the stream going. Ended up topping out for $35 loser, and now the idea is playing out. I was just a little too early. It's we're sweeping these highs here, recent highs, anyways.
Well, we all know sometimes being premature is just gonna happen.
We do have a bunch of orders above here, 75, 87, and 800. And we got some bearish fair value gaps above also. That's kind of why I wanted to take the long, and here now it's kind of ripping without me. And we're about 1 minute here from the bell. So good luck, everybody.
ES is bouncing a little bit.
Well, there goes that idea. Instantly ripped up to those price, that price there. I was looking for the 800 area there. That was fast. So all those orders are gone here. So we do have orders at 812, 825 now, but we got 200 EMA where we basically rejected there on the high of that candle.
We got orders up at 65.40 on ES and down at 65.2250.
Peter's in the house. Good morning. Like drop. Good morning, y'alls. Good morning, Peter. Peter Hartman.
Peter Hartman. Love that guy. Yeah, I'm just going to wait for a little bit.
Yeah.
I got nothing. I want to pull a Mike Christensen and play this volatility off the open, but that's just not in my plan. We got 65.33 that just hit on ES, and it's starting to come down. Oil's just got a lot of buying balls on it right now.
Is it? Yeah. So it's showing a red candle, but yeah. Some wick to the bottom side there.
Yep. So,
yeah.
Now that I've decided not to take a trade for a while, anything fun going on?
Yeah, that's the question, eh?
Whew.
How's the weather there today? What's the temperature like?
Right now, I don't know. It's probably like 78.
Whoa. Toasty.
I was gonna go on the ASFX last night with Zach and James. Just check out what they were doing, and no, it was not the day for it.
No.
Oh, excuse me.
That's funny. We were both yawning at the same time here. Trying to wake up here. Good morning, everybody.
Trying to.
Looks like we have about 7 people watching in YouTube and 2 people in X.
Looks like oil's starting to drop a little bit.
Yeah, I see that. To 111. Oh my god.
It's weird that that's a drop, but that's what we got going on right now.
Channel. Yeah, so I will be streaming later tonight too. The evening,
of
the
course
Thursday
you will.
Stream. Tuesday and Thursdays.
You're going to Tuesdays and what? Thursdays?
Yeah, Tuesday and Thursdays. What are the nights that I've been streaming here? So unless
Yeah,
I had
your
hockey
hockey
away, so, yeah. There's Sharpie. Good morning. right. What time do we got here? 6:35. About 10 minutes here. Get this opening range set. We just swept London's price action lows here, although we still have some more pre-market lows all the way down, and happened to dump or to find support right in this 4-hour bullish or inverted fair value gap down at 23,673. So looks like shorts are shaping up right now.
Yep, it's looking like shorts are the play for today.
So far, anyways.
But it is only 9:36.
Hey Tim, good morning. Sharpie said 23,720, breakdown possible, TP 23,466. So you're looking for basically just one of those last couple pre-market candles. If we can break below that. Angia is going to wait 20 more minutes. That's smart.
Sounds like a good choice.
If you are going to take any trades at the moment, you better be tight, as we
Real
know.
tight.
Because what did we pop there? Opening candle was 60 points, and then now we're down 94 points. Hey, Johan, good morning. And that was midnight open price. Damn. That's everything lined up there.
Everything's lined up and looking stupid.
Yeah.
But again, patience is the key today. Oil's got orders at 111 and 114. So
Angia, you were short from like London or something? Your first short TP was 650, second TP was 550. Turned out I closed everything around 700.
nice.
Nice, yeah.
Bravissimo.
We got Austin on ASFX, or sorry, prop for match.
So the CVD on oil right now is at 3,775.
Wow. We're coming down to one of those longer term trend lines that I've been having here, and a bullish fair value gap.
Just so you know, I just put a 7 micro long on oil
Wow.
at 112.49.
Nice.
It's up to 112.71 now, and I locked in. Let me pull up the P&L. $50 in profit. So
nice. And it's $1 per penny, basically.
Yeah.
Or
essentially. So I'm up 350 on this. 420.
Nice.
Oh, it's coming back down.
A little bit.
I'll leave this here for a minute. We got a stop loss in profit. See if it gets up to that $14 level. It's kind of what I was thinking, but we are over VWAP. There's a bunch of buying pressure. The CBD just hit 4,200. Holy crap.
Savage. Sharpie's in on that short, I think.
Tempted to add into this.
Need to get it. Need it to keep going here for you.
I'm locking in 250 here, just in case this starts to pull down a little harder. I don't know what kind of Trump tweet's going to come out, or well, with the slippage, I took 235 on that.
Nice trade. Yeah, I don't know. I took a short on the bounce there. I put my stop. How many points was that? 17 to 37. So I put it at a 20-point stop, and it just ripped right up, hit my stop, and now it's in profit. I don't know if maybe I should be looking to stay flat today, because I'm down 109 in this one account here.
Don't be a wuss. Stay flat. Come on. It's not how you make money. And that is definitely not financial advice. That is a total joke.
Johan said, for those who are interested, I posted an indicator in Discord. The indicator displays VWAPs for multiple timeframes, daily, weekly, monthly, and has a really cool feature.
I will be checking that out tonight. I just got your message and got very excited. I bounced around in my seat a little bit. Did some Kegel exercises, some deep breathing. Oh, this...
What an annoying short there. I need to, I feel like I want to get tilted from that.
Wow.
Not really, but it's just, one of those ones where it's like so annoying, right? Like literally ripped up to my, went one point past my stop.
Oil is just
Ripping.
113.37.
Johan, is that a new one or is that the same one that you had before? Oh, this is oh, it's a new one. Nice. In short, it's a dynamic, historical, institutional level tool based on VWAP.
That's why I got excited about it. Seems like anytime you say VWAP, I get a little woo, a little tingly feeling in my nether area. All right, I'm grabbing some coffee.
Sounds good. We're below mostly all the VWAPs here. Oh, I haven't even got my New York view up going here. What am I doing? What am I doing, guys? Get the view ups live. Sharpie, I took you out. Oh yeah, that's pretty strong bounce here we're getting.
Let's check the news. Oil jumps after Trump warns Iran of hard strike.
Hard strike versus a soft strike?
I don't know. I don't understand most of what that comes out of his mouth.
Okay, well, I'm just off this morning. I'm 0 for 3 now. I took a short on rejection of the New York view up and YM.
No.
And it decided it didn't want to reject it. So 0 for 3. What are the rules when when you get 0 for 3? Maybe you shouldn't be trading it.
Do you have it set up yet to where you take 3 trades? If they're all losers, you just get locked out permanently?
No, it's just kind of something I keep in the back of my mind, that it's like if I'm not just making the best decisions, I should be, sitting on my hands basically. Okay, well, oil's pulling back down to 111 now. That was a pretty strong take of the view up there with NQ, but are we just gonna reverse this candle again? Pretty choppy at the moment.
I'm watching oil this morning. It's a pretty clear indication of where everything else is going. As oil is come down a little bit, things are jumping. As it goes up, things are dropping.
Yeah.
Oil dropped a little bit. YM shot up.
Yeah. Sharpie said, if we get a 5-minute close above 732, I'll be long into 936. Consistent with your levels. New hourly and 4-hour candles in 10 minutes. Nice. feel like I do like this 4-hour fair value gap.
Hold on,
And if but if I were to try to take a long now, considering the 4-hour fair value gap, it's like 100-point stop. So and oil is finally breaking down here. Right up to the midnight open price here, 23,822. Find some resistance. Tomorrow's a bank holiday, guys.
Tomorrow is a bank holiday.
778 is your entry, Sharpie. Nice. Nice, Andrea. Andrea uses a 4-hour chart to see if you're going to go long or short, make an entry on the 1-minute exit, and stop loss on the 5-minute. Chintan, yes, tomorrow is a bank holiday. So we do have orders up above 812 to 820.
Getting a little bounce on ES.
Breaking the opening range high here. We took it. ES is looking even better. All the way up at overnight VWAP. We haven't touched it yet, so typically overnight anyways. And typically when we do tap it multiple times overnight, I'd be looking potentially to short it there. Guess we can keep an eye on it for an option.
Just took a little MES scalp with 2 micros.
Yeah.
From 65.50, closed it at 65.52.50.
There you go.
There was a big selling ball on oil. Went long on the ES off that. And I'm not going to do that again because this is a big move already.
Yeah.
As I say that, it's going to launch, go through the roof.
Sharpie took one off at 8:30. 875 is your next TP. Will hold a runner. Nice. Yeah, it looks good. So there is on the MES, there was a buy ball at 665.50, 861 contracts.
Yeah, there's
The big boys.
250 contracts up above at 65.55. But I'd like to wait for a little pullback before I go long on ES.
There's Tom Hartman. Hey, good morning. The Hartman bros popping in. Say what's up.
The Giggle Twins. I think that's what I'm going to start referring to Tom and Peter as, the Giggle Twins.
Yeah.
Is that the pullback for ES?
Right?
Wow.
Looks like it. Angie short one at 860 on NQ.
I think that may have been the little ES pullback.
Looks like it, hey? All the way, heading all the way to previous day low now. Man, we got a gigantic 1 hour fair value gap above from that big sell off. And then we have a smaller one at 23,900 here.
All right, you're going to hate me, Dave.
Yeah.
I took an ES long at 65.52 with 15 micro.
Yeah.
I added 15 into them, and I just closed it out.
Nice.
$638
Very good. Nice.
on one 5-minute candle.
Beautiful. Yeah, that was a really nice candle there.
Let's see if I closed it out in time or if I should have held it for big money and big prices.
Ooh, that was a big 1 hour candle closure right there. Big bullish fair value gap we left there on that 1 hour candle on NQ.
Looks like oil's dropping again.
Oil's making a little bit of a green candle.
How's somebody's flying around their single engine plane over here? Can you hear that nonsense?
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah.
I thought I heard something there.
Yeah, it wasn't a howler monkey this time.
Thought it was a wasp.
Thought it was a wasp.
Yeah. Meow.
So the noise cancellation on the microphone here works pretty damn well then. Because
Yeah,
that
it
was
was
loud.
it was only when you were talking did I hear it, so came through while you were chatting there.
Oil at 1120 now. I don't know, Dave. Your $150 barrel oil seems like it might be in play.
Might be a possibility.
At this point, it would not surprise me.
Two winning scalps. Even a dog can have its day. Nice job, the hawk flies. Next new setup is 5-minute candle close above 936 long, but if it comes back and 5-minute close below, I'll take it short. This is my plan. Sharpie. $200 oil, bruv. Darren Desthing says.
I mean, is that what you're actually thinking there? Don't put that thought in my head. It's a weird thing about thoughts. They drop into your head and then they try and convince you to think them. Oy.
Oy vey. Well, so far we went up, then down, now up, and then
It's up.
starting
It's
to go
down. It's up. It's like a roller coaster today. All right, who's tweeting or doing some stupid nonsense today?
The usual suspects, I guess.
Remember back in the good old days when you'd get off the charts and you'd make yourself a drink and go, damn it, Powell, why were you messing with me? One day a month.
Yeah.
And now you get off the charts and you need 2 drinks and you go, damn it, Trump, why are you messing with me 3 times a day?
Yeah, at least 3 times a day. So I saw this video on YouTube yesterday, and they're talking about if the Strait of Hormuz were to be closed for like 2 months or something, the amount of like food supply would be really shocked for multiple years.
Yeah,
because there's a lot of fertilizer and stuff that gets transported through there, and then people would miss their planting season, and then that would just start like a big spiral.
Also, trucking companies, the cost of trucking companies is going to go through the roof if that happens.
Yeah.
So transport of food from point A to point B, wow. You know, this is going to be great for the economy, right?
Yeah. Well, Mr. Opportunity for a long there on NQ. I was eyeballing sort of that trend line that I have there, 857, but I was just feeling a little reluctant to take any positions right now. Since I've had a bit of a rough start in the morning here. We rejected previous week's VWAP. All right, Darren.
All right, so I just took a 4 micro long on ES at 63.25. Looking at the orders on oil are way down. Oh, it's going against me. Great. Well, it's 4 micros, so I'm going to hold this for a minute.
63.25.
63.25.
Am I on the wrong contract or something? Mine shows 65.61 for the price right now on MES.
For the price right now, yeah, it's 61. I got my long in that wick just above current price.
My bad. I was thinking 63.25, not 65.63.
Oh, I got all right.
Sorry. I'm like, obviously my brain must not be working very good this morning.
What's going on with you, Dave? Are you
a little slow trying to figure these things out? Like, what?
It's all right.
Price is 65.60. So that would be Tuesday's VWAP. We're playing with right now.
Figures where I got into that. It's just going to play with that price for the time being.
Do have orders at 70, 72, and 75, and 80 above.
I thought it was a good call off the previous day's VWAP.
Sharpie said it did not close above. So he was looking at 23,936. And pulled back below there.
Got 117 orders on oil at 110, 91 at 109.
Ooh, nice. I'm in a bump
151
here on
orders.
Up 150-ish. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Got my stop here. I'm in the wrong account here. There we go.
Do you have 161 orders on ES 65.75? I'm gonna hold this for a few.
All right, I'm out of there. I got the 84 on that long. So I'm still down 120 though.
Come on, help me out here. Yes.
If it does close above, your TP is going to be 24,065 Sharpie. Up, that's basically the value area low. You're waiting for a closure above for the long. Gotcha. Above 23,936, right?
I get this. This candle manages to close green. I'll stay in it. If it closes red, I'm gonna get the hell out.
Yeah, if it closes below, I will look for the next 5-minute candle for trigger. Nice. And Johan said, Nick, I wrote to Tom yesterday waiting for his response.
Wrote a what yesterday?
She wrote to Tom Hartman yesterday, and she's waiting for a response.
Oh, Tom is not great at returning messages.
Oh, really?
So, let's see. I got my stop loss in here.
So that candle closed below it, below Sharpie's level there.
Where did you send him a message?
Oh, look at that pop.
And I'm out. Yes.
Nice trade.
That's what I wanted.
Beautiful.
All right. I'll take that one.
Take the money and run, like Terrence would say. Where did Terrence go anyways these days?
I don't know.
Haven't seen Kalen for a couple days, at least on the morning streams. Nick is a bad man, says the Hawk Flies. Nice exit there.
I'm not sure how I should take that, buddy.
Price pulled back right after that TP.
Yeah, I wasn't going to sit in that.
We basically tapped right at to 24,000 and did not fill the orders there and rejected. Looks like Sharpie's going to get his close here potentially on this one above 36. Getting close to the 24,000 level here. $262 real contracts at 24,000.
So I just took an ES long at 65, 67, 25. 10 micros.
Hard to take that trade, Sharpie. Just went long MES 65, 68, 25. Tim said. Is that what you just did?
Oh, yeah, I got 67, 25, but essentially the same trade.
Wowza.
Up a couple bucks. I'm gonna got my take profit up at 89.75.
You're in at 71, Sharpie? Nice.
And I'm out. All right. So I did that on a single account. So it's one of the elite accounts that I have that honestly I've been kind of neglecting. So I wanted to make a few trades on it. It's one of those ones that doesn't allow copy trading.
Okay.
So I have to trade this one individually. I've only got 2 accounts with them, and after I blow them, I'm not going to end up renewing them.
Gotcha.
If I take max payout on it this time, it'll be like $6,000 per account.
It's like Elite Trader Funding, that one?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
They're not a big fan of their rules. They're not horrible, but I've seen so many prop firms that have much better rules.
Yeah.
So I did just add another 15 micros to that with this little pullback.
Oh, nice. You got some buffer to play with.
So I got 15 contracts at 72.
Oh, I took a little short scalp there, $20. So I'm down $94 on the day now.
Took a short scalp, you said?
Yeah.
On NQ?
Yeah, on NQ. We're kind of in a 1 hour bearish fair value gap.
All right, I got 20 micros in here now.
Tim said his first trade of the day, busy selling chickens this morning. Yeah.
Like it. When are you going to bring me my chickens?
Oh, Economic Pulse said today is his 57th birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wow. Should have held that. Should have held that short. Sharpie stopped out on the remaining contract there. Peter Hartman said, how many trades do you take a day? My number is kind of a little bit up in the air. I don't exactly have a number. I would say I typically trade probably between 5 and 10 trades a day. Depends.
So, I mean, it really does depend on the day. Anywhere from 0 to 20. Depends on what the market's doing more than anything. If if the market's trending, it's going to be less trades because, yeah, I mean, you get into a trade and you hold it for a while. If the market's choppy, level to level, obviously, if you're trading that way and you feel comfortable with it, you're going to take more trades. So the non-committal answer, it depends.
He said he's heard others say do 1 or 2 a day, and he's been on the fence about it.
It really depends on the market conditions. It depends on volume. It depends on trend. It depends on where you are in relation to VWAP. It depends on your mindset. So other people's rules are exactly that. They're other people's rules. Do what feels best to you. And by best, I don't mean what you want to do. I mean, create a plan, stick to it. And when you are down at your personal daily loss limit, get out. If the market's going in your favor and you are just in a trade or in and out of trades and you're on a heater, keep it up. So this long is working out for me on ES right now. At 20 micros in at 65.6744. Locking in 100 in profit. I think that's 100. Oh no, 88. 81. I'm going to take profit at 79.75 just in case it jumps on me.
Did you get back in there? I think you got a pullback right to 37.25. Oh, re-entry at 36 holds. That's what he said. Gotcha.
Yeah, it looks like me and Sharpie are doing the same, pretty much the same trades today.
Oh, you re-entered 9:45. Got a bunch of orders below on the book map here. 23, 937, 925, 912, and 900. But mostly all clustered pretty close down to like 920. And they're moving them down. We just had natural gas reported. Iran's bridge connecting Tehran to Karaj struck again. Again, a bridge can take more than one strike?
Maybe they didn't do it right the first time.
Maybe not.
What are they striking it with? Ball peen hammer?
Noodles?
They're just hitting it with hammers. Trying to make it look like they're doing repairs. All right, I just added 5 contracts to that long. So I am in with 30 contracts total. Stop losses in profit.
Initial balance set, guys.
Take it. I took a little profit off that, and now I only got 15 in.
Tim said, Nick, where's your stop loss?
My stop loss was at 69.50. Yeah, 69.50.
So you got out of that trade there?
Partially.
Gotcha.
Took 15 off it. Made $8. Now the other 15 is going up, and I'm out.
Nice.
All right. So that worked out well. All right, let's see how much damage I did to those accounts today.
Good damage?
Well, we shall see. Accounts. All right. I'm definitely green today.
Okay, I just closed along in that Lucid funded account, so made 343. So my day turned around pretty nice there.
Nice.
Or Lucid eval, sorry.
Peter Hartman. Oh, never mind.
Oh, he said whose birthday is it?
Whose birthday? Got it.
And yeah, happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
It's today's Easter, right? Yeah.
No, today's Thursday. Easter is always on a Sunday. You were the worst Catholic I ever met. Tomorrow is Good Friday. Markets are closed. Markets are closed on Sunday until 6 p.m. And then all the degenerates can just jump right in and full port their accounts because they've been waiting too damn long to trade them. Did you buy your chocolate?
Yeah, your Easter bunny.
Oh, yeah, no. You know, that's the story in the Bible, right? A bunny left chocolate in a basket for you. I think that's in what book in the Bible is that in? You ever hear the comedian Bill Hicks?
Geez, I'm in another long here. One mini up 700. Sheesh, man. Oh, damn, we're ripping here. 900. Wow, dude, look at this thing going here. Boom. I hit a max daily profit there. Took me out 1669 on that Lucid funded account. So, $40 away from passing the eval. What the heck happened there, guys? Oil dropping super hard. We got Iran drafting protocol with Oman for Hormuz Strait traffic. Wow. Look at that freaking rip, guys.
Yep, I'm in another MES long. It's my price. 66.1150. Stop
Wow, what a
losses in
trade,
profit.
man. Yeah, Johan,
Yep,
I got
going.
1330 out of that long. I can't chase it now. Can't chase that now. I exited on the breakout, did not see that coming. Yeah, Sharpie. I don't think anyone saw that coming. I don't know how I even got in on
don't
that
anybody
trade.
get too feisty about taking shorts here either.
Yeah, all the way up to value area high. Ripped through value area low, point of control, now at value area high. Damn, only $60 to pass that eval, but I think I hit my max daily profit. So it's 50. I think I have a 50% consistency. Good thing I put that in there, or that would have been bad. I think I'm gonna have to actually make more than 60 now because I made a little too much on that.
Great problem to have, Dave. Great problem to have.
Well, not when it's an eval, but yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Now I'm probably gonna have to just make a little bit more. Trying to log in on Lucid and it's just not letting me get in for some reason.
Lucid's not letting you get in?
Yeah, I don't know. It just keeps it's trying to log in and then it keeps kicking me back to like the dashboard login page. It says launch dashboard. And I hit launch dashboard and it keeps kicking me back to launch dashboard. So weird.
What
Am I logged in
going on here?
Maybe?
Mama? Yes, pulling back a little bit. You know what? I'm not getting into anything again.
Yeah, I'm reluctant to trade this now.
I'm going to use my handy dandy Traders Post lockout. Look at that.
Okay, Johan, have a good day.
Taking myself a 5-minute break. Wait until this candle is over.
Yeah. Angie is short now. Last trade this week.
Angie is short?
Yeah.
I thought Angie was like 6'2".
She's a tall one. Plays rugby and football and can you try to log in on Lucid and tell me if it's a problem there too? Or do you have a Lucid? Yeah, you have a Lucid account, right? Maybe you're not trading it right now, but can anybody log into their Lucid dashboard?
Nope.
You're having the same problem?
I just tried it, didn't work.
Okay. So it's obviously something on their end is a little weird right now. Zach on Proffer Match is saying that he can't log into Tradeovate. It's down right now.
Tradeovate is not down on my end.
Maybe that's because we were logged in, though, right? He's logged out of one account to log into another one, and he just can't seem to get in. So,
oh, my take profits working on Tradeovate. Elite Trader Funding's working.
oh, you know what? Maybe it's because he's trying to log it into Trading View. So maybe that's the problem.
No. Oh, I have my another personal account logged into my Trading View. Oh shit, I forgot about that.
You gonna trade it there still?
No, I forgot that I logged my cash account into my Trading View to copy along with all of my trades for the day. So in my cash account, I'm up like $2,000.
Oh, nice. That's good for you.
All right, I'm gonna go grab some coffee.
Oil pulled back
do
all the way
something
down
stupid,
to
like forget
106.50.
What was that?
Oil pulled back all the way to 106.50.
$5 drop in 7 minutes.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Yeah, Darren, I'm that's why I lock myself out for the next 5 minutes. I'm gonna let this price shake out a little bit and then see where the trend goes. Yeah, Dave, I'm gonna go grab some coffee before I do something stupid like forget that I have a personal account logged into my Trading View and I'm copying trades to it.
Yeah.
Sometimes I feel a little bit tarded.
A little tarded.
A little tarded. All right, I'll be back.
So 50% consistency. Sheesh, man. I'm tempted to lose. It's $160 profit that I'm over the consistency. So watch, I'll go try to lose it, and then I'm gonna make more, right? Yeah, Dave. What? I should probably try to lose $160, or you mean, yeah, you're gonna try to lose 100 and you're gonna make 300? I thought I saw somebody before doing like buy bid and sell ask. Yeah, right. Gonna try to lose 150 and you're gonna make 300. Okay, well, I did it once. I lost 28 bucks there. Wonder how many times I can do that. Buy market and sell the ask. Okay. That was only $9 that time. Damn. $15.87 now. Anyone ever try to lose money before? Seriously. Yeah, see, this is where this price moving around like crazy. This how do you like try to lose money? Oh, just keep doing it. The commissions will eat it out. Yeah, that's a good point. Just like a buy and a sell. Buy market, sell market. That should be there should be a little spread in there, right? I'm gonna do a real quick one here. Kind of want it to be moving down though. Okay, well, what happened there? I did it. Yeah, I lost $9 on that one. So 75. So I'm only $75 over the 50% consistency.
Wait, what?
I'm $75 over the 50% consistency rule for the. So that means I would have to make an extra 150 to pass it. I was just I was doing a buy market, sell market really quick, and I lost like what 20, 28, and then 9 and.
So basically, you're trying to lose money to make consistency.
Yeah.
That hurts me. Like,
I know, right? But it's like it's for this eval, right? So it's like,
yeah, I get it, but it still hurts. I don't like hearing that.
Well, we're playing the game, right? We're playing the prop game. So it's if it was a real account, obviously we wouldn't even be considering this. But
yeah. If it was a live cash account, you would never do that, but
okay, I lost another $8 between fees and everything. So now I'm only $63 over.
you better be careful. You might end up taking a winning trade and
yeah, well, I do have the daily profit set, you know, the max daily profit. So if it did bounce on me, it would just take me out. But let's see here. 1563. So I should make that to. I gotta use the bathroom real quick. Sorry, guys. I'll be right back.
go ahead, Dave. A little bit of a drop here on ES. It's breaking below 6,600. See if it stays down there. Nope. Does not want to stay below 6,600. Took my long at 66.10. Added to it. Add one more. It's almost like people don't want to hold shorts over the weekend here. Got a whole lot of orders up above. The price is still coming down.
Hey, I'm back. Sorry about that.
Don't be sorry. You're all good.
Did you answer Chintan's question there? What is more beneficial? What is more beneficial, trade in one prop account or trading in 5 to 10 accounts?
Depends on how you trade.
Yeah, I mean, if you're not really having much success trading, if you're new or whatever, I mean, obviously you should probably keep your risk down to one account. But if you're finding that you're having some good success, then scaling up, that's what you got to do, right? You got to get more accounts to scale up.
So I just closed out my ES long. And now I'm thinking I shouldn't have.
You're just a beginner, then I would recommend, if you're going to have multiple accounts, just trade them one at a time. Take 1 or 2 trades. If you get it green, then just move on to the next one, right? And then take a couple trades in that one, and then move on to the next one. If you take, set your max daily loss limits and stuff like that, and cycle through. That's a risk sinking, right?
Yep. So I started copy trading accidentally. I bought just to learn, I bought one of those cheap 90% off Apex accounts and blew the account immediately because I zigged when I should have zagged. And then I bought another one and I just traded that one account. And about 30 days later, I opened up Tradeovate and I had 2 accounts and just was like, how do I have 2 accounts now? Did not realize that it was a monthly subscription. It renewed my my Apex account. And I went, well, I'm up on this second account by like $1,000 and I found the little copy trade thing on it and I went, all right. And then I did some math. I went, I can have 20 of these accounts. If I make $100 a day, that's $2,000. But I had to keep it really small. Ended up blowing both those accounts too. So, but after I got used to scalping, that $100 a day trade on the Apex really did make a big difference in my overall P&L.
Yeah. Lucid dashboard's working.
Start off with one account though. Don't, because if you're trading 20, 30, 50 accounts, it is a little bit stressful to say the least. Because even though you're only looking at a profit or loss of say $50, you're trading 100 accounts and you lose $50, in the back of your head that's $5,000, and you get real tilty about it. At least I have.
Yeah, it can be a double-edged sword, that's for sure.
I mean, if you can control your risk and manage to keep your wits about you, copy trading can be great. But if you have a tendency to go on tilt, you aren't an experienced trader, don't copy trade. Trade one account at a time, take good setups, stick to your plan, and keep journaling, especially for that first year. If you keep journaling, you'll see in your journal, like, so not just about the trades that you're taking either. What are you feeling like in the beginning of the day? Are you nervous? Are you scared of the market? Did you have breakfast? If you work out in the morning, did you skip your workout? It seems stupid, but things like that really do make a difference. If you have a good routine and you come to the market, you're relaxed and calm, and you're willing to wait, you're gonna have a much better day, and you're gonna tend to stay out of the tilt zone a little bit better.
So
Again,
Chin
just
started 1 month ago. Started trading futures 1 month ago.
Yeah, that's
might be scaling up a little too fast if you go to multiple accounts. I mean, you could, if you had 2 accounts, maybe you could try copying 2 accounts, but I wouldn't really go too heavy, right? You're just kind of you just don't know what you don't know yet, right? So
yeah.
I mean, you might be an amazing trader for sure, and it could work for you, but at the same time, 95% of people struggle, especially for their first roughly couple years, right?
Yeah.
So
generally speaking, it's I think it's like 3 to 5 years before you're profitable.
Yeah. So if you're in the
Dave and
learning
I got
phase
pretty
still, then
lucky.
risk sync, don't copy trade. That would be my recommendation.
Yeah.
Only a month in.
I mean, Dave and I got pretty lucky. I got lucky because I found a good coach. And if anybody thinks that coaching is bullshit, $500 a month. It's all it costs. And if you actually listen to your coaches and do what you're supposed to do, make a plan, stick to it, you'll make that back in a couple of days. And then you have 18 more trading days to build on top of your profits. Unfortunately, most people, they get a coach and then continue to go on tilt and do ridiculously stupid shit.
Okay, I'm only over the profit by $19, so I'm gonna leave it now. Let's lock this bad boy out.
So when you come back tomorrow and make $200, you'll be set for
it's like
a payout or an activation.
Activation, yeah. It's I need to make $215 to pass it now.
Canada's international trade data is notoriously volatile. February's report was no exception, with an unexpected jump in goods trade deficit from 5.6 billion deficit versus 2.5 billion shortfall the market expected. Both exports and imports are sharply higher, with roughly a third of the latter driven by imports of gold and offsetting strength in business and consumer spending by domestic buyers. Says the deficit will likely shrink in March, as the jump in hold imports is unlikely to be repeated, and the spike in energy prices lifts the value of crude exports.
Angia, that's good news. So very green today, and I don't trade on Friday, so I lock all my accounts and chill with you guys here.
Nice. Coaching is BS until you actually become a coach, like me in my case, but I'm a crypto trader learning futures again. Man, I'm telling you, like a lot of people do think coaching is bullshit, but I couldn't have done it without the coaching. So I
It's
mean, maybe it's different for different people. For me, it's definitely
I think coaching can be bullshit, but if you get the wrong person, right? That's where it really comes down to, right?
yeah,
So,
that's you have to be real mindful of who you have as a coach.
Lilish Borker in the house. Good morning there. How you doing? Did you catch
Good
that
morning.
explosive long like we did in the chat and everybody here? What a savage long that was. Oof.
Yeah, I got really lucky and had my first coach was Evan Dyer.
Yeah.
So
Can you even get one-on-one coaching there anymore?
no.
It's all group
No,
coaching now.
they're doing all the group coaching stuff with it's Austin, Evan, James, I think Zach, and
Randy.
Randy.
Zach's doing it also?
I believe so.
Okay.
Don't quote me on that, but I think so.
Mm-hmm.
I think they did that specifically because you get to look at everybody's stuff that's in the group and see how different people are trading and expand your trading capabilities a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, everyone has different experiences, Darren. So like maybe I have to do it from myself, Chintan said. A lot of it is just getting experience, time in the market, right?
Yep. It's time on the charts. They say for like comedians, you don't start getting really good until you do 10,000 hours. Actually, with just about any profession, it's about 10,000 hours before you start getting good at it. And if you think about like trading, it's a high performance career choice
Yeah.
that you can't go to a university and learn how to trade, except for maybe YouTube University.
Yeah. But then you got to mix, you could get a potential mixed bag of bad information. So
Yeah, you got people like
ICT.
yeah, exactly. Now, I will bag on ICT all day, every day. I think the guy's a piece of shit scammer. But some of the concepts that are in there that he just renamed are actually good concepts.
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
Points of control and fair value gaps and all that stuff that he
Sort of rebranded, right?
yeah. Just he took stuff that's been around since like 1918 and turned it into his own little coaching thing. And apparently the guy can't trade. Can't trade, is not profitable. He makes all his money through selling courses.
Yeah.
Which I don't know if that's true or not. So if you happen to hear this, don't sue me. But it's yeah, some of the information is valuable. Take it with a grain of salt, though. That the guy that's selling you that course has been proven to be a scammer.
Peter said, yeah, when he did comedy, we knew it was a 10 years experience needed.
Oh yeah.
I guess that's when you get over that threshold of becoming from a funny person to an actual comedian, right?
Yeah, I couldn't imagine getting on stage and trying to make people laugh.
Yeah.
I can't even do it here.
Oh, it works pretty good here. I don't know. Angia said,
Well,
Vigo is my best trading buddy. Yeah, nice.
yeah, I do like that. Never had coaching or mentoring, just always had good people around me.
Yeah.
Yeah. If those people can keep you accountable, it's like, I know if I screw up, Dave's gonna roast me in front of all of you.
Well, I don't know. I'm pretty nice, but yeah.
No, I mean, but if I do something stupid, like take a long when the trend is going down and it's below VWAP and you don't say anything, we ain't friends anymore.
Yeah. Well, at least I'll be telling you, hey, look at, there's this and this and this going on. So, you know, I kind of, obviously I'm not going to tell you what to do, but I'm going to help try to suggest that maybe in a roundabout way that maybe not the best idea, right? Furus sell courses and can't trade.
Yeah. Well, ICT stands for I can't trade, right? Ugh. So oil's going back up. It's 109 now.
Savage.
Ooh.
French military orders 5th Brigade from Naval Group.
The 5th Brigade?
Yeah.
I know the 82nd already got their orders, or their deployment orders.
So, and then maybe this is kind of why oil started going back up here. Is at 11:01, Iran Deputy Foreign Minister, we are going to set tolls for ships passing via Hormuz Strait.
All right. That's special. So YMES.
I have a Zoom meeting at 9 my time, so that's noon, and then I have a real estate course at 9:30, 12:30.
Another one?
I got a busy. Yeah, I'm doing all my upgrading courses right now.
Gotcha.
For the license renewal.
And come down here and be a real estate agent. Can't buy a house down here for less than like 700,000.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Commissions and fees and everything here are ridiculous.
Really? Eh? Yeah.
Most people pay cash for their houses.
Gotta head out. Catch y'all tomorrow or Tuesday. All right, Darren. Have a good one. Yeah,
See you later,
tomorrow's
Darren.
gonna be
Thanks
bank
for joining.
holiday, so it's gonna be a little less volume. So we'll be keeping the size small tomorrow, that's for sure.
Thinking 5 minis minimum. So everything is showing from the market open. It's still strong up. ES, NQ, and YM are all above the high a day VWAP, low a day VWAP, New York VWAP, overnight VWAP. So nothing here is telling me short right now.
No.
Oil is pretty much stable at 108, 109 to 107. So we can watch the high a day VWAP turn into a sharper angle. I may take another long. But it is 9 a.m. and I want to be on the beach before noon.
Yeah. You have that luxury there.
Yeah, I popped in last night to check on Zach when you said that he was losing his shit about that trade he was in. But when he said he was going to be trading in the evening, I told him, I was like, I may pop in later if I'm not surfing. Go
Nice.
surfing. This price action sucks.
Yeah. Surfing.
You know, Canada's national pastime, surfing,
On snow.
snowboarding. My favorite thing to do in the winter. All right, oil's getting a little pop up.
NQ's pulling back a bit.
Ain't that a shocker? So is YM.
Ooh, whoa. This is some volatility here, guys. Careful. Trading game. How are you doing? Yeah, NQ. I did take a little short scalp there. Made $25 before it reversed on me, luckily. That's the good thing about getting your stop in there.
That's what I do like about this Traders Post, the command pad. Yeah. I can set my stop loss right there and not have to worry about it. And I can do a trailing stop loss.
Yeah, you don't even have to like move around your mouse too much. Just click, click, click.
Yep.
Yeah, whenever that thing goes live, let me know, because I do have that account, but I just haven't been using it because I just, don't love the whole, putting the alerts in there.
Oh yeah, that was the biggest pain in the aspens for me too. Setting up my limit orders, dragging lines, but according to Mike, the testing has gone really well for it. I don't think he sent me another update yet, but I've been testing it out. It works great for me. Oil's going back up yet again. 109.85, 90.
Oh, there we go. NQ's going down again here.
NQ is dropping.
Yeah, I was in a short and then bounced and stopped me out. A couple dollars in profit there. Tim said, I would take the beach right now. We're getting an ice storm power line down in front of the house. Damn.
What? Oof.
Well, hey, guys, I don't know. I need to get ready for that meeting. I'm actually, it could be a job opportunity for me. I don't know. I think it's going to be sort of a part-time thing, but it's a company that they put like software and like systems in place to monitor power and the usage and try to like optimize that for people with to save money on their power basically.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so
is it like a energy auditing service?
Yeah, sort of, yeah, for commercial kind of businesses. So the goalie on my hockey team is the president of that company, and he knows that I work out in the out away from Vancouver area, like in the Lower Mainland, And because I have some experience with real estate and commercial stuff, he wanted to talk to me about it. So we're going to have a little Zoom meeting about that. So
Nice. In all honesty, I think I'm about done here. Any hoozles?
Yeah, me too.
Price is starting to stall out. What time is it in New York? 11:22. Oh yeah, it's lunchtime. Volume drop. You trading tonight?
Yes. I'll be on 10
if I'm
p.m.
not sleeping under a palm tree, I'll hop on with you.
Nice. Sounds good.
Tim's getting an ice storm. Where the hell is Tim?
Good question.
Tim,
I don't know
where
why.
are you?
I thought he was in Florida, but that doesn't make sense.
I mean, if they're getting ice storms in Florida, go long on orange juice concentrates. Oh, the mangoes are just about ripe on the trees now.
Oh, that's gonna be
picking
nice.
them. I've been picking them and letting them ripen on my desk.
So you have some in the tree there. Are you in the Airbnb right now?
Oh yeah, there's a giant mango tree right in front of me. There's a starfruit tree over here. Bananas to my left.
No way.
There's a soursop and water apples. Don't have to worry about frost here.
Well, I'm in a long here.
What?
Yeah.
Long on what?
NQ. We found support at the lows there. Okay, I'm out. So $47. Nice. Yeah, we have these body lows from those initial pullbacks, and I saw price bouncing there. So I took a little scalp between 30, 35 and got out at 45, 10 points. 2 micros. But yes, I need to get away from the charts here.
Get the hell off the charts, and I will see you on Monday. Or tomorrow.
Friday.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow's Friday.
You're gonna trade Friday, yeah.
So I will see you in the morning tomorrow.
Sounds good.
Possibly tonight if I don't have better shit to do.
Nice.
And yes, thanks everybody for watching. Tim, you have to let us know where you are so we can send you things.
Like a steel umbrella.
Steel umbrella would be lovely. See y'all later. Have a good night.
Later, Nick. See ya. All right, guys. Thanks so much. I appreciate you guys being here as per usual. Hopefully, you guys are green on the day. I know a bunch of us caught a chunk of this long, so I'm happy about that. Good to see y'all, though. I'm going to do my usual shout out here. Thanks everybody. Darren, Chintan, Johan, Sharpie, Angia, Tim Korth, The Hawk Flies, Economic Pulse, Peter Hartman, Lilish Borker, Trading Game, and Nina Noble. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, we'll be live. I'll be live again tonight around 10 p.m. Eastern time. So if you guys want to come hang out, we'll be probably keeping the size small again tonight. But yeah, we'll see how the market looks later on. So thanks a lot, everybody. Yeah, okay, Chintan. See you later then. Have a good one and peace out. See you around there, around the corner.